Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm getting a little bit old and forgetful, and so I thought, well, maybe I should switch from making tutorial videos to making comedy videos. That won't be hard to do. I won't have to change a thing. Anyway, you'll see that happen in this video. If you recall from my last video, if you follow my videos, I wanted to demonstrate how you could program your flight plan to do a vertical leg. And as you see here on the screen, that's about what it came out to be. It was pretty sloppy. And I thought, well, you know what? I think I'll do this again and not have it go out so far into the park. Keep it closer to me. And so this is my idea. As you can see, the X there, I'm sitting on the bench, and then I'll take the drone off and fly over here to the left, and then pause for a second or two, and then go vertical, and pause for a second or two, and then go across in front of me, down to the right, and pause for a second or two, and then go vertical again, and then pause for a second or two, and then come down and come down to land. And so that's my plan. That's what I wanted to do. And so, excuse me. So I went to the park this morning and tried out a flight plan that I created. So I'll have a brief section here to show you the creation, and then we'll go to the park. So stand by. In this video, I'm repeating the previous video, only everything is more close up, and I have made myself, sitting there on the stool, a point of interest, and so it'd be a little more accurate. The drone will be looking at me most of the time, and let's see, that guy should be looking at me too. There we go. And so last time I didn't pay any attention to which way the drone was facing. So what's going to happen is he's going to take off, and I'm going to fly him over to a waypoint right here. And that waypoint, I think, is 1 meter off the ground. And then it'll pause there for 5 seconds, and then it'll shoot straight up. And the reason I'm having it pause is so we can see each waypoint along the way. So it'll get up to 10 meters, and then that will he'll pause there for 5 seconds. Then he's going to drop down and to my right over to this point, and I think that waypoint, the bottom waypoint, is 2 meters above the ground. So he'll pause there for 5 seconds, and then he'll rise up to 10 meters and pause there for 5 seconds. And then he'll come down to this waypoint here, this 3 meter waypoint, and wait 5 seconds for me, or maybe 10 seconds. Anyway, he's going to wait there for me to land him. So anyway, this plan, the purpose of it is to just make it a little more easy to see in the video how accurate the vertical legs can be. So anyway, we'll see how it goes when we get to the park. And hang on, here we go. Okay. Oh, phooey. Forgot to get my sun shield. Okay, I think we're ready here.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, we are at the park, and I've got the drone turned on, and I'm turning on the sky controller. And here comes Free Flight Pro. Oh. You make me nervous. I guess. All right, my wife came with me today, so now I'm all nervous, so I forgot to take the cap off. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we're gonna get it in the air. So 3, 2, 1, here we go. Whoop, that's the wrong button. That should do it. Okay, sit right there. We'll go back over here to flight plan. And I should be in part 3 flight plan, and I think we're ready to go. So we'll hit the green button. Here we go. He's gonna fly over there, and naturally he's gonna fly into the sun. Pause a couple of seconds and go straight up. Naturally he's in the sun. There we go. Now he's gonna go down to a lower elevation. Pause for a few seconds. He's going to climb and look at us. Pause for a few seconds. And then he's going to come down. And he's going to land all by himself after about 10 seconds, I think.